name is Mikael Thomas. I'm a three-time Olympian from Trinidad and Tobago. When it comes to using a drone or training, you need hands on deck. It's not something you can do alone. Using the R1 is totally different. You literally set it up and it takes care of itself. It's so easy to use, so simple, and it's just fun. It feels like another person is with you while you're using it. It just took on its own life. That allows you the ability to do more dynamic things in the training. It was probably the most comfortable I've been with a drone. I never had to worry about where it was or if it's going to lose tracking on me. Plus the video was amazing. Footage that I get of myself can be used in a variety of ways. Not only is it for the brand and marketing on social media, but also for like a biomechanical aspect. The amount of angles and positions that you can get when actually trying to break down what's going on in a physical activity is amazing. It's just like they say 2 eyes is better than 1. How many cameras they got in this bad boy? So that changes the dynamics of what feedback you're able to get from any kind of training session. It has so much range and ability, it makes it very different from any drone that I've used. It gives me the freedom to focus on what I need to focus on.
As humans, we strive to connect with one another. We gather as friends to share experiences and make memories. We travel to awe-inspiring places to find inspiration. No matter what we're doing, we're always documenting and sharing those experiences. It's in our nature. Whether it's on social media or with friends in person, you now have the opportunity to capture aerial shots and share like never before. Introducing Breeze, the flying camera designed with you in mind. Both convenient and compact, Breeze is controlled by your iOS or Android device with the Breeze Cam app and weighs just under 1 pound. Capture aerial photos and video of your daily adventures effortlessly and do it in stunning 4K ultra high definition. Simply take Breeze out of the box and let it fly. Use one of the flying camera's 5 automated flight modes to capture unique shots. Use selfie and orbit modes to take dramatic aerial group photos and video, or use follow me mode to grab compelling aerial footage of your action sports adventures. The shots that previously would have required a skilled pilot are now accessible with the click of a button. Live in the moment and let Breeze do the work. Once you've captured photos and videos with Breeze, download and share them via your favorite social media quickly and easily. You can write a personalized message and share instantly, all without leaving the app interface. It's that simple. At Unique, we value your safety. Safety is a top priority in the design of every product we make, including Breeze. Breeze has optical flow and infrared positioning sensors that allow it to hold its position both indoors and outdoors, making it safe for any occasion. You can fly with ease knowing that Breeze won't drift, no matter your environment. Additionally, there is an auto landing and auto return to home feature. No flight experience is necessary. Whether you're adventuring with friends, out solo, or spending time with family, capturing the moments worth remembering are easier than ever. With endless possibilities, what will you capture?
At IDEA, we believe that the capturing process should happen seamlessly, just like the experience itself does. PETA is the world's first transformative drone that enables true versatility in a way that you capture your experience. Whether it's aerial, handheld, or mounted, PETA transforms to your needs in a matter of seconds. The Action Cam module has 3 screw holes for universal mounting. Changing modes is quick and easy with modular design that magnetically snaps and twists to lock. Optimized for the first-time pilots across all ages, PETA is light and small to take with you everywhere without adding extra bulk. With our vision recognition technology to target and follow users, capturing with PETA is as easy as throwing it with a click of a button.
Our team has deployed a number of vision recognition technologies across many different sectors. We have been working days and nights for the last 1.5 years to bring the same video processing technologies to PETA, to create a small yet powerful autonomous drone that combines all the pros of previous drones and action cameras. We have completed development and are now in need of your help to move on to the manufacturing stage to shed light on PETA. Please join us to make PETA a reality.